Let's take a look at the weather now. And Tom, it has been a sizzling start to summer.
Jeremy, we have sweat through uncomfortable heat and humidity. And here at Parramatta, it has been the warmest start to summer on record. The daily minimum and maximums this month are running at 4 degrees above the long-term average. Now, that's the highest temperatures for the first 8 days of December since the Parramatta Weather Station commenced operation in 1965. For Observatory Hill, the daily minimums and maximums are running at 3 above the long-term average. Not quite a record, but still the warmest start to summer in 45 years. Last night was again muggy. 21 in the city was remarkably the 42nd consecutive night that was warmer than normal. Highs rapidly climbed this morning, top of 29 in the city and 34 in the west. That was as much as 4 degrees above average. A southeasterly change finally arrived from about midday. It brought low cloud and dropped temperatures to the low 20s by the mid-afternoon. Across the state, well, severe storms yesterday brought damage to the Riverina and some heavy rain around the central west. 47 millimetres at Parkes was the town's heaviest rain in 13 months. Minimums were as much as 8 above the average. Many northern towns remained above 20 degrees. Maximums today were up to 10 above average on the north coast in hot westerlies, 35 at Coffs Harbour, their hottest December day in 19 years. On the satellite, only isolated thunderstorms fired up this afternoon over the north of our state. However, this menacing storm did trigger a warning for severe weather, dropped 24 millimetres on Lismore. On the chart tomorrow, well, this high will direct onshore winds and just a few showers onto our coastline. Around the country, a dry start to the week for the southern capitals, but a shower or two ahead for Brisbane. For the northeast tomorrow, it will be a cooler day, but still a high chance of showers and storms for the mid-north coast and the northern rivers, a medium risk for the Ranges and the Hunter. For the southeast, a cooler night, then mostly dry tomorrow for the Ranges and climbing to the mid-20s, partly cloudy on the coast with still a medium chance of showers. To the west, a mixture of sun and cloud, staying dry apart from the slight risk of a shower around the northern slopes, heading for the high 20s in the south and up to the mid-30s for the north. On the waters, winds from 20 to 25 knots and the seas will average 1 to 2 metres. For Sydney, a cooler night, 19 in the city, down to 16 in Campbelltown. Tomorrow should be mostly cloudy with northeasterly winds to 20 kilometres per hour. There's a medium chance of showers for most suburbs, although only light falls. We're heading for 23 in the city and Parramatta and climbing up to 25 degrees in Penrith. Now, the sun will rise tomorrow at 5:36 a.m. and set just before 8 p.m. And ahead, it's back to sunshine on Tuesday, 26 to 32 degrees. Possible shower Wednesday, 26 to 30. Then warm and sunny days for Thursday, Friday, up to 35 in the west. That's ahead of possible showers next weekend. Jeremy.
Tom, thank you. And that's the very latest from the team on ABC News Sunday. Thanks for your company. Enjoy the rest of your evening.